Today, I'm not just speaking as a woman or a teacher or a Pakistani. I'm speaking as a daughter of Earth. From Russia to Sudan, from Iran to Gaza, from crisis in Israel to silenced, bombed villages in Ukraine, the Earth is bleeding. Not from the bullets that pierce the bodies, but from bombs that poison the air, from missiles that rip apart the forests, from chemical weapons that poison the rivers, from explosions that break the lungs of the skies. War is not only a crime against humanity, it is a crime against climate. Every weapon fired releases toxic gases. Every tank that moves burns the future of our children. Every bomb dropped shakes the heart of our earth. And who suffers the most? The poor, the farmer, the girls, children drinking poisoned water, mothers breathing in chemicals they did not choose, the babies born under the skies that no longer remember what clean air feels like. War is not a political crisis. It is a climate emergency. The world's greatest weapons are not strength. The strength is education, dialogue, kindness, and peace. At this V Foundation, we build futures, not destroy them. We plant seeds, not landmine. We raise voices, not weapons. To the world leaders, lay down your weapons. This world is not your battlefield. This is our only